I got a ring. I liked it. So I put the ring on it, the it being the camera, the ring being a ring light. It was not something that I wanted to buy. Did not set out to buy a ring light, despite everybody having one. Here's why. If I look the wrong way, if you like stare at my nose, don't concentrate at my nose. Can you see a reflection of the ring yet? I got a ring light. And I got it because today my smartphone camera mount snapped, and I'm still using my smartphone to act as a webcam in these live Twitch broadcasts. The ones that I'm doing right now, I'm only doing one right now. No beauty tutorials, Pezliz, that is a great question, but no. Obviously, I'm the antithesis of a beauty tutorial. This is what not to do with beauty. But I got a ring light because the smartphone holder thing snapped, so it would not fasten the device to the stand that's on my desk that has 3 legs, often called a tripod. If you put 3 iPods together, that makes a tripod. Don't know if you knew that. It's true. Look it up. It's on Wikipedia. So I needed to get the new fastener, and you know, there are a lot of options. Did I mention I'm doing this live right now on Twitch? Yeah. There are not a lot of options for me to be able to get a a smartphone snappy thing, or maybe a smartphone snappy thing, to affix my smartphone webcam to a tripod. I had little choice. So I go to the store. That's the name of it. It's the store. I go to the store, and they have one. Thank you for following Shelby Cola. Welcome aboard. Love that handle, because I could read it. That's the biggest challenge in live streaming. You know, they don't teach you how to say everybody's username. They also don't tell you to rinse your mouth out before you go live. Otherwise, you might have refried beans in there. I've done it. Don't watch my old live broadcasts. Just watch the ones moving forward. So I go to the store, right? And they have one. Just one. It's $30. I'm like, dude, it's just a smartphone snappy thing. That's it. That's all it does. It's just the smartphone and snap, and then it's there on the thing. I'm like, I'm not gonna pay $30 for that. No way. No way. So I look around, and they had like one other option, and it was like $40. And I was like, this is just like, it's not, I don't need that. I already have one of those types of things. I already have the tripod. I don't need this. I don't want that. And I was like, kept looking, and this popped out. This is not an endorsement, by the way. Definitely not a sponsor, because I paid with my own money. So I don't know if I've wasted it yet. I love this product, if only because I've been called a vlogger, right? Look at that. Like, the word vlogging is on a product that they sell in the store. Isn't that great? So it's a portable vlogging kit. Love it for 2 reasons. One, my nickname used to be Kit, so I love that word. And then vlogging, dude, it's got how bad can it be? It's like I'm vlogging. Like, you can even look. You can see the ring light there. Look at that. It's very meta if I hold it that way. So this was also $40. So I got a desktop tripod. I didn't get a smartphone. That's okay. She also did not come with it, which is a little, jarring until I read the bottom. It says simulated screen images, smartphone shown, not included for illustration only. They didn't really mention, if she did not come with it, but I assume she didn't, because, that would just be very strange. So I just needed the smartphone snappy thing, got the bonus there, got the bonus ring light. But the thing that jumped out at me was the box. I was like, whoa, dude, come on. I'm like, can I buy it first, and then you can jump out at me? The thing that really kind of struck me as odd, from not just because it did that, but like the thing that struck me, now I'm like beating the hell out of this box in my face here. Look at the ring. Look at where it is. Like, usually a ring light is going to be in and around your camera lens, like not on top. I don't know. I've never really seen it like on top. Maybe I'm wrong. I'm not like a ring light expert, but I I feel I'm a desktop tripod expert by now, because now apparently I have all of them. I've collected them all. I don't want any more, and I don't want to collect. I didn't want to collect this stuff at all. I just needed a smartphone snappy thing, but I wasn't going to spend $30 on just a snappy thing. So I figured I'd spend $40 and get a ring light, another desktop tripod that I didn't need, and then the snappy thing, which I did need. So I spent a little more to get a little more. And again, the woman did not come included, which is totally cool. That would have been really, really weird. So this is what I'm using right now. And I'm trying it, even though the ring light temperature is just a little off. I have found an experimentation. It actually helps somewhat when I hold objects close. Like if I can get the reflection just right, kind of. It helps a little bit more, right? With the Darth Nihilus. Or the Lego set we're about to build. I get enough light. Or another figure that I got on sale that I have to open. Oh, look at that. That's a shock trooper. Are you shocked? Are you shocked that I clipped my nails?